Hey guys, are you finding an indicator that can show the reversal in trend and signify any buy or sell signal? So, in this video, we are going to show you in the chart when we can buy at green and also sell at red, and also green shows a reversal from bearish to bullish, while red shows a reversal from bullish to bearish. So, in this video, we are going to try out this indicator that can signify the trend of the chart pattern. And if you want to try out how to plot your own graph on TradingView, you can check the description down below for free. Let's start. First of all, you can open this indicator. As a disclaimer, this tutorial is for educational purpose only and does not contain any constitute financial advice. So let's start. First of all, you can open out any chart. So I will be using BTC USD for our reference, and you can open out the indicator as for reversal finder. Just go to the indicator tab and search for reversal finder. So you can find this indicator that are suggested by editor speak. You can just open out this indicator by NS91. You can customize your settings by going to the indicators tab and press for this setting button to customize for your indicator. So in this customize setting, you can customize your periods and also for SMA length, as this indicator will use SMA to indicate out the script. You can customize this based on your time frame. For example, you are trading at a lower time frame for 5 minutes, 15 minutes or others. You can customize to have a lower and effective time frame based on your indicator. You can customize this on the settings tab. And also you can check for this indicator definition by going to these three dots and press about this script to generate out its description. So basically, as you can see, it shows the indicator details and definition, script, or even other details that you can have a reference before you start using this indicator. You can go through it by pressing the three dots on the settings tab. And also, as you can see, it shows that when green label show long signals when a bar close higher than the open, while red shows a short signals when a bar close lower than the open. You can go through these indicators details at the tab, and the most basic one is when green is indicate a buy signal, while red indicate a sell signal or even a short signal based on your condition. And you can use risk reward to plot up your graph. So let's start. First of all, as you can see, currently we have 4 signal shows in our chart, and yellow shows when the closing is lower compared to the opening for a reversal signal. So we don't take yellow as for our consideration, as it shows a weaker reversal signal compared to the green. And as you can see here, it shows the green signal shows a reversal form as in the chart. So in this area, we will try to plot for our position for our long signal, and we will take the position at here. So basically, we will refer out for the previous chart for our reference to plot our risk reward ratio, and make sure the risk reward is more than 1, as we need to have a more rewarding ratio. We need to have more reward compared to the risk so that we can make more profit if we are disciplined and on this risk reward prediction. As you can see now, the risk reward ratio is 1.89, means that we can make more reward compared to our risk based on this prediction. So when we try to trade at this green signal, we can make a 1.98 risk reward ratio if we are using this indicator for our trading. So you can just plot this out, and next we will try for this reversal when it turns from bullish to bearish and red indicate signal. So we can just use a short position, and we will plan our position at the closing. So our cut loss will be the previous candlestick, green color candlestick, and the take profit will be at this area, as this is the most significant reference for our plotting for risk reward projection. So as you can see, currently the risk reward is 0.98. So this is a quite fair risk reward for both of sides. So for me, I won't prefer to take this kind of position, as the risk reward is not biased to reward side or biased to risk side. So we can just go through this position and we will find for. So next we will try out for a shorter time frame, and this time frame is 1 hour time frame. So let's start. First of all, as you can see in the graph, it shows a green reversal signal. So we will try to make a position at this green reversal signal as a long position, and we will plot our long position to the previous height, and while for the short we will place it here as our reference for the tiers for previous candlestick. So basically this risk reward ratio will be 2.22, and it is a good trade as the risk reward ratio is biased to the reward side. So yeah, basically you can just try out this indicator and make sure that you are disciplined for your risk reward ratio and you have your strategy while using this indicator. You need to have your own strategy before you start, and you also can try out paper trading at this column before you try for any trade, so that you can more familiar with your strategy and also indicator. So basically that's all for today's video. Thank you.